Bitcoin has just broken through support, sliced through it. We are currently back testing right now. I'm going to show you what my price targets are for this down move that we are experiencing. I'm going to show you what I believe this entire structure is for Bitcoin and where the price is heading. We're going to look at some Elliott wave stuff. This is an Elliott wave channel, guys. We're going to look big picture. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing on the charts so you don't get surprised. Let's get right into this. If you watch my previous videos, I was looking for Bitcoin to give us some action like this and then come down here and take this liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity sitting up here, I'll tell you that much. I thought it wanted to take that and then come down. We're coming down first, no problem. This was a valid count that I warned you of. We were looking at this as a WXY for Bitcoin, in which we have a correction down, a correction up, and another correction down. Now this WXY, if you pull the fibs on it, we have hit off of the 1-to-1. We can keep pushing downwards towards these lower fib targets, maybe come down and do an ultimate liquidity sweep down here, come down to our lower fib targets. And if you pull the fib retracement on the entire move up, it's right on the 618. Beautiful spot to long. In my opinion, it's a little too predictable. I think if price comes down here, there's going to be too many longs coming in on the 618. So I'm honestly looking for this to either be finished or be close to finished, give us one more low, and then come up. I know a lot of people are already drawing this trend line, so that's another thing. Is it going to come and hit off this trend line and then go? I don't know. I'm on the verge of saying we are done here and we're going to head to the upside now. And, if we look at the daily time frame, and we're going to go small micro time frame and look at this and see where we can hop in on some trades. So stick with me through this video. I'm going to make this short. If we go on the daily time frame, we look at our indicators right here, looking at our momentum oscillator. On momentum, we have very nice, divergence put in right here. And for this, if we are going to make a lower low down to 45K, 48K here in this down move, it would drag momentum down like this. It would just look ugly. You do not want it to look like that. It would, RSI is already pretty oversold. Does it have enough power to come all the way down here like this? At this point in time, I would say no. We need to at least retrace. We need this to clip up, and then you can have enough force, if you get a move like this, to come down. Yeah, at that point, you can come down. But from an Elliott wave point of view, looking at the wave structure, if we hit to the upside, it wouldn't make sense to then come down. It just doesn't look like an Elliott wave. It doesn't meet the criteria for a correction or an impulse. If we are turning around here, I'm saying that we're going to go towards all-time high. The only hope you have is for this to come up to the 1-to-1 in ABC. Do not break this level and then come down. And that would, look something like this. It would give RSI time to reset and then come down. Threaten to go towards all-time high again and then psych everyone out, come back down, and then we go towards all-time high. That would be the only option in my opinion. Now, I am bullish short-term on Bitcoin. I think all-time high is going to get taken out. I think that as we zoom in on this wave, I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here, as I already drew, we have our WXY correction. If we pull the fibs on this last corrective wave, it looks like it hit off the 1-to-1. It's tough to measure with this junk right here. But we have hit targets. The 1-to-1, it can progress down lower. Now, examining this wave, if we're looking at this keeping pushing down to the downside, it's tough for me to count. You have a 1, 2, that's a corrective wave to me. Here's a corrective wave. It took out this high. So you can't even call this a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then big time 3, 4, 5 because it took out the high. So to me, this looks like a WXY all day, all day. We'll see what happens. It does, the market doesn't have to follow Elliott, but we have these rules in place to predict what the market's going to do. So WXY for me, we're going to go small time frame and look at this bounce that we got. And see what trades we can get in. If you want to leverage trade, or if you're looking to switch exchanges, what I'm on right now is Blowfin, and if you check the pinned comment or in the description, there's a link for 15% back in your deposits. Initial deposits, you will get 15% back. It's a free 15% gain on your account, and use your trading volume to win prizes all the way up to a Rolex. So take advantage of that link. No KYC, no VPN. Blowfin is the best exchange. Is what everyone's using right now. So go check them out. And also, free Discord linked in the description below. If you want access to my daily alerts, 24/7 live Elliott wave charts on your favorite cryptos, my Elliott wave course, get access to the momentum oscillator. All this stuff is included in the premium Discord. Check it out here. You get $25 off your first month of premium. Right now I'm running that promo, so check that out. Let's get back into the charts and look at the smaller time frame. All right. So for me, the general direction is going to be up. I'm saying this is a retrace, looking for more upside here. At least to 70K, right? So as we zoom in, we're looking for this leg to be impulsive. We're looking for 5 waves to be finished to the downside to match this in ABC fashion. And right now it looks like 5 waves is finished. I got 1, 2, you can count all this is, well, you can go 3, 4, 5, or you can go 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 waves looks to be finished, guys. And if we're looking at the heat maps, check out this YouTube channel. They post high blocks, liquidity maps. So if you look at the heat maps, look at all this liquidity to the upside. The yearly, it's all up here. Where are we going to grab liquidity to the downside at this point? You look at different heat maps, it's all saying the same thing. So these are the things that I'm looking at. We just grabbed some liquidity here. Maybe we come down. Now, as I zoom in a little further for you, we're looking at this to be 5 waves finished. Now, if we are still in our wave 4, you can consider this to be some type of a flat, because this right here looks like an ABC rather than an impulsive wave to the downside. It would be an extended flat if you pull your fibs right up to the 2618 box, and you would be looking at this to impulse down one last time, take out the lows quickly, and there's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure. We're getting a little too high for my liking, but if we look at other coins like Ethereum, this looks way more like an ABC flat. So, but again, Ethereum doesn't lead the market, Bitcoin does. So Ethereum's going to follow what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin's bullish and ready to pump to the upside, so is Ethereum. But right now Ethereum looks like that's a flat for sure if I'm just trading Ethereum and not looking at anything else for one more low, and then we go up. So that's my update for you guys. I am bullish. I am looking to get into a long so we can creep towards all-time high. I will keep you posted. I've been posting frequent videos, so subscribe if you're not already. Like the video if you watch this all the way through. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.